Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton Inn Evansville. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi, free parking and a non-smoking rooms. Next to Eagle Lake, this Evansville hotel is 15 minutes from the Mesker Park Zoo. It offers a hot daily breakfast. Rooms have free Wi-Fi and a 42-inch flat-screen TV. Hampton Inn Evansville features an indoor pool, gym and jogging track. Laundry services are available. Guest rooms at the Evansville Hampton Inn include a work desk and coffee maker. They also have ironing facilities. Children's Museum-Evansville and the University of Evansville are within 6.5 miles of the Hampton Inn. Charming downtown Evansville is 10 minutes away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.